5 seconds. The first case in the first category of decisions is judgment by Allahabad High Court in Sakina Baby versus Amiran and others 1888 ILR 10 Allahabad 472, wherein it was held that a court of appeal is required to see what was the decree which the court of first instance should have passed, and if the court of first instance wrongly dismissed the claim, the plaintiff cannot be prejudiced by her share having been subsequently sold in execution of a decree in another suit. Such a sale would not affect the preemptor right to maintain the decree if she had obtained the decree in her favor in the court of first instance. In short, the view of the court was that the right of preemption has to be found which existed on the date of the decree, and any subsequent sale of the land in execution proceedings during pendency of the appeal would not affect the maintainability of the suit. In Baldo Misr versus Ram Lagan Sakhal 1923 ILR 45 Allahabad 709, it was laid down that what is to be seen is whether the preemptor has the right on the date of the decree of the first court. Any subsequent change of right during pendency of the appeal would not affect the right of the preemptor. In Hansnath and others versus Raghu Prasad Singh 59, the law reports Indian Appeals 138, the Privy Council following the decision in Baldio Misr versus Ram Lagan Shukla Supra held that a preemptor claim may be defeated by losing his preferential qualification to preempt after the sale and at any time before the adjudication of the suit. In short, it was held that a preemptor must have the right to preempt on the debate of sale, on the date of filing of the suit, and on the date of passing of the decree by the trial court. This decision by the Privy Council related to the right of preemption prevailing in the then Agra province, but the same was followed and applied in the then undivided Punjab before partition of the country by the Lahore High Court in Madhu Singh versus Lieutenant James RRS Kinner 1942 ILR 23 Lahore 155 and Johor Din and another versus Jalal Din Noor Muhammad and others 1944 ILR 25 Lahore 443. In both the cases, two full benches of Lahore High Court held that it is not possible to extend the date by which a vendee in a preemption suit may improve his status beyond the date of litigation of the suit by the court of first instance, and he cannot, therefore, by improving his position during pendency of the appeal, defeat the right of the preemptor in Ramji Lal and ANR versus State of Punjab and ORS 1966 ILR 19 Punjab 125. It was held that preemptor must have his qualification to preempt on the date of sale, on the date of institution of the suit, and on the date of decree of the trial court. The preemptor must maintain his qualification to preempt on the date of decree of the first court only, and any subsequent loss of qualification by preemptor by his own act or by an act beyond his control does not affect the maintainability of the suit. In Bhagwan Das by LRS and ORS versus Chet Ram 1971 SCR 640, a bench of 3 judges of this court held that a preemptor must maintain his qualification to preempt up to the date of decree for possession by preemption. This decision approved the decision of full bench rendered by Punjab and Haryana High Court in Ramji Lal versus State of Punjab Supra, in Rikhi Ram and ANR versus Ram Kumar and ORS 1975 SCC 318, a bench of 3 judges of this court retired that a preemptor who claims the right to preempt the sale on the date of the sale must continue to possess that right till the date of the decree. If the claimant loses that right before passing of the decree, no decree for preemption can be granted by the court, even though he may have had such right on the date of the suit. In Didar Singh versus Izar Singh Supra, a bench of 3 judges of this court laid down that in a suit for preemption, the claimant must prove that his right to preempt is subsisted till the date of the decree of the first court, and the loss of right after the date of the decree by an act beyond his control or by statutory invention during pendency of the appeal against the decree of the trial court would not distiltal the claimant to maintain his claim of preemption already excised and decaged. In this case again, decision by a full bench of Punjab and Haryana High Court in Ramji Lal versus State of Punjab Supra was approved